Hello friends, my name is Deepak Kaldone and you are welcome to our channel Forensic Search. In this video, we will see some important questions of scientific assistant in forensic science laboratory. This video will be helpful for those students who are preparing for the scientific assistant post in biology or serology division of forensic science laboratory. As well as this video will be helpful for the NET JRF examination in biological sciences and forensic sciences. सो इस वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखते रहिए। ये वीडियो आपके लिए इंपॉर्टेंट रहेगा फॉर द एग्जामिनेशन ऑफ साइंटिफिक असिस्टेंट इन बायोलॉजी एंड सीरोलॉजी डिवीजन। चलो तो हम इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन एंड द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज डैश डैश इज द मोस्ट अबंडेंट प्रोटीन इन ह्यूमन सेरम। देयर आर फोर ऑप्शंस यू कैन डू विथ मी इफ यू नो द करेक्ट आंसर। Option A is valine, option B is casein, option C is albumin, and option D is aniline. Anybody guess the correct answer of this question? Yes, the correct answer of this question is option C, that is albumin. Then the next question is, which of the following can be used for species identification? Option A, anti-human albumin antiserum. Option B, anti-human hemoglobin antibody. Option C, anti-human glycoprotein antibody, and option D, all of the above. So correct answer of this question is option D, that is all of the above. Then the next question is, most anti-human sera usually reacts with option A, higher primates, option B, lower primates, option C, non-primates, and option D, none of these. So correct answer of this question is option A, that is higher primates. Then the next question is, the process of formation of spermatozoa in human is referred as option A, spermatogonia, option B, maturation, option C, spermatogenesis, and option D, sporangenesis. So correct answer of this question is option C, that is spermatogenesis is the process of formation of spermatozoa in human. Then the next question is, synthesis of prostate specific antigen, that is PSA, is stimulated by dash dash hormone. This prostate specific antigen is a constituent of semen. So the options of this question are option A, testosterone, option B, androgen, option C, seminal vesicle specific antigen, and option D, none of these. So correct answer of this question is option B, that is androgen. Then the next question is, seminal vesicle fluid accounts for approximately dash dash in the ejaculation of semen. Option A 50%, option B 60%, option C 70%, and option D 80%. So correct answer of this question is option B, that is 60%. Then the next question is, a prostate specific antigen, that is PSA, an important protein found in semen, is also known as option A P33, option B P3, option C P30, and option D P300. So correct answer of this question is option C, that is P30. Then the next question is, which of the following reacts with Fedor's reagent? Option A, human salivary amylase, option B, human pancreatic amylase, option C, plant amylase, and option D, bacterial amylase. So correct answer of this question is option A, that is human salivary amylase. The next question is, RNA based assay utilizes to detect tissue specific gene expression for biological fluid identification. Option A PCR, option B RT-PCR, option C electrophoresis, and option D, precipitation. So which technique is used for this? So correct answer of this question is option B, that is RT-PCR. Then the next question is, which of the following is associated with salivary glands? Option A, submandibular, option B, parotids, option C, sublingual, and option D, all of these. So correct answer of this question is option D, that is all of the above. All of the above are the types of salivary glands. So the correct answer of this question is option D. Then the next question is, the condition by which males have abnormally low sperm counts is known as option A, aspermia, option B, spermogonia, option C, oligospermia, and option D, none of these. So correct answer of this question is option C, that is oligospermia, is a low sperm counts. Then the next question is, which of the following is used to test for the presence of semen? Option A, amylase test, option B, luminol test, option C, acid phosphatase test, and option D, Kestel-Meyer test. Generally in forensic science laboratory, there are some blood evidences, semen evidences, and saliva evidences. That's why in this video we will cover the semen and saliva related questions. In previous video we uploaded some important questions related to blood. You can watch that video also. So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is acid phosphatase test is used for the detection of semen. Then the next question is, beta amylase is found in option A, plant, option B, bacteria, option C, human, and option D, both A and B. So amylase has two types, that is alpha amylase and beta amylase. Out of this beta amylase is found in plant and bacteria. So the correct answer of this question is option D. Then the next question is, the screening test used in prostate cancer patients shows increased level of dash dash. Option A, acid phosphatase, option B, seminal vesicle specific antigen, option C, prostate specific antigen, and option D, both A and B. So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is prostate specific antigen. Then the next question is, dash dash is a condition that causes males to produce no spermatozoa. Option A, oligospermia, option B, spermogonia, option C, aspermia, and option D, none of these. So correct answer of this question is aspermia, that is option C. And the first one, that is option A, that is oligospermia, is the low sperm count in particular males. And if any males unable to produce sperms, that condition is known as aspermia. Then the next question is, the human salivary glands produces dash dash liters of saliva daily. Option A, 1.0 to 1.5, option B, 1.5 to 2.5, option C, 2.5 to 3.5, and option D, 3.0 to 4.3. So correct answer of this question is option A, that is 1 to 1.5 liters. Then the next question is, the technique used in the identification of saliva are based on the detection of specific types of dash dash expressed exclusively in certain cells in the oral cavity. Option A, tRNA, option B, mRNA, option C, cDNA, and option D, rRNA. So correct answer of this question is option B, that is mRNA. Then the next question is, identification of saliva is largely based on the presence of dash dash in a sample. Option A, luminol. Option B, acid phosphatase. Option C, amylase. And option D, pepsinogen. So correct answer of this question is option C, that is amylase. Then the next question is, which of the following is true? Option A, semen contains seminal vesicle specific antigen. Option B, semen can be identified by the presence of spermatozoa. Option C, semen contains prostate specific antigen. And option D, all of the above. So correct answer of this question is option D, that is all of the above. Then the next question is, starch iron test is used for the detection of option A, semen. Option B, blood. Option C, saliva. And option D, hair. So correct answer of this question is option C, that is saliva. Then the next question is, a stain can presumptively be identified as saliva by the dash dash test. Option A, amylogenin test. Option B, Kastle-Meyer test. Option C, acid phosphatase test. And option D, amylase test. So correct answer of this question is option D, that is amylase test. Then the next question is, semen secretion from prostatic fluid secretion accounts for approximately dash dash percentage of the ejaculation. Option A, 20%. Option B, 30%. Option C, 40%. And option D, 50%. So correct answer of this question is option B, that is 30%. Then the next question is, dash dash are useful markers for the identification of semen in forensic laboratories. Option A, acid phosphatase. Option B, prostate specific antigen. Option C, immunoglobulins. And option D, both A and B. So correct answer of this question is option D, that is both A and B. Then the next question is, dash dash is the most abundant source of acid phosphatase. Option A, albumin. Option B, immunoglobulins. Option C, prostate. And option D, bile. So correct answer of this question is option C, that is prostate. Then the next question is, under ultraviolet light, semen fluoresces because of dash dash present in seminal vesicle fluid. Option A, prostate. Option B, pavin. Option C, testosterone. And option D, amylase. So correct answer of this question is option B, that is pavin. So friends, these are some important questions of biology which will helpful for the examination of scientific assistant in biology and serology. Thanks for watching our channel Forensic Search. Thank you.